Are you sure about this?
I've never been so sure about anything in my life.
It's a big risk, there's a lot you could lose.
I know, but I made up my mind.
Whoa, stop, wait, stop. The mic's not close enough.
Alright. The first thing you learn as a wildlife presenter is how to get into gear quickly. Observe. Alright, let's go. Danger! Nature! Wildlife.
Two. He went to a forest one fine day, saw a king viper and ran away. He likes his Fosters and his Vegemite. You gotta see his bandana.
He's seeing frogs,
Cows in the fog,
changing clothes fast.
power stands blast. Saw a black cow, then he ran. He's danger the nature man.
Hi folks, welcome. Here, today we're in the far-flung island of Ireland, looking for the rare black cow. See this here? This is something special. This is a rare Irish thornbush tree. Don't see many of these around today. Also, it's completely hollow inside. What's this here? Still fresh. The hunt is on. Me, I love all animals on the earth, but none more than the frog. Oh, look at that beauty. Let it be nice and free. Whoa, careful now. This here is a rare Siamese branch viper. Third most deadly snake in the world. They sit, waiting, disguised as a branch for an unsuspecting prey to arrive. Strike! Dead in under 2 seconds. Luckily, my father, 3 times world Siamese viper fighter. Only one man in the world better than him. Me. Dangerous, that. Close one, folks. Right, over here. I think I see one. You gotta be very quiet. You don't want to startle these beasts. I think I caught glimpses of them. And these are big, dangerous animals. But if you approach them in the right manner, perfect.
Your hyper super mega death ray may be strong, but my ultimate quantum rage fist shall defeat you.
Ha ha ha, the thought that you could defeat me is so idiotic it's funny. Now prepare to die.
We shall see who is the one to die. Prepare yourself, for I shall show you no mercy.
Bring it, bitch. Ha 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 ha.